It is reset day number 1 for our summer stay in Reno.
Where are we?
We are at the Border Town RV Park, or RV Resort. Pardon me, RV Resort.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Here is the Border Town RV Resort. It's small, it's nice. We dumped our tanks here last year when Tom had his knee surgery. And it was very convenient. We used to go over the hill to the Shell station, but we found that this was a little bit more convenient. Oh, somebody's boondocking over there.
Oh my gosh. They're on the other side of the tracks.
Yes, they are. There's railroad tracks right there. Right there.
Wow, they live on the other side of the tracks.
This is a resort, so that's the other side of the tracks. Yep, there's some signs there. I wonder what those signs say. We'll have to look at those.
A brown sign.
Yep. Sierra County line.
That's California, the county line.
Oh, yep. It is. Huh. Wonder what the... We'll have to go look at that. We'll have to go check that out. We'll look on our map that shows BLM areas. We'll have to check it out. So there's the dump station right there where that flag is. Alrighty, fun times. Well, that was easy and fast. It's a nice dump station. It's nice and clean, and it's slanted so that your RV drains good. It drains a lot faster.
Nice
So when you come in, you go and pay inside there. That's the nice man and Daisy over there. Daisy the golden retriever.
Can I get through over there?
I think so. This is a border town. It's a little casino. It has a restaurant. Really good restaurant, actually.
Yep.
We enjoy it anyway. Yep. This is where we had lunch with Sue and Jim.
That's right.
We missed out on seeing them this time. So we have to go across the valley over there. Not far. We need to change the batteries in our lock. It's giving us the, hey, you need to change your batteries tone. Let's see if it will do it with this one. That's it.
Yeah.
So it's like, hello, you need to change your batteries.
And we have an RV lock.
Yes.
We have one of their, I don't know if it's an early one, but for us, we bought this in 2014.
So it's 10 years old already. We love it.
I noticed a lot of people said they don't like the key fobs because you still have to carry a key. They'd rather use the touchpad.
Thing is, I clip this onto my jeans, and before I've left the truck, I unlock the house, and I don't have to worry about fumbling, even with this, at the door before I load up my arms. It's perfect. And I like the tone because that way I can tell if it's locked or unlocked, if it actually took, if it actually, you know, if I push the buttons right. Let's see. Dun, da, da, da. All right, 4AA. Sharpie.
That's a flare.
Doesn't say flare.
That's
it's
a flare.
Sharpie.
So what are you doing? Why do you need a flare?
Because I want to write the date on here that I put these in, just so we know how long they last. I do it with our little refrigerator fans. I put the date on them. So it's 6/09/24. Probably don't need to do it on all of them. Just one.
Because when you replace one, you replace them all.
Yes. Stay. Okay, why aren't you staying?
What's the problem?
I don't know. They don't want to stay in. They're jumping out at me. Where's the date?
Golly, you'd think those batteries were charged. They want to play.
There we go.
There it is.
Boy, we need to clean our door. All that tape that we pulled off. It's all yucky.
Not that we want to show our dirt, but look at this.
Yeah.
It's just grody looking.
You really find out how dirty your hands all the time are. All right, let's see. Woo, look how fast it goes.
Holy cow.
Woohoo!
Ta-da! Another fine job. Look for another bonus in your check this week.
Yeah. Wow.
There's only one way out inside a prison view. 10 whispers or a shout, gunpowder if it's true. Smoke before the fire, no one else can slay the dragon sleeping inside of you. Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner and raise it to the sky. Find the moment and make it. Write your headline and raise it to the sky. No one else can create it. Take your banner